Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to write snippet mean meta description from search result or AI result in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. On left side you see pages and menu, so click on it. So we are going to write snippet mean meta description from search result. So we are inside pages and menu, and then you see multiple pages. Now you see about. So when we hover on it, then you see three dots. So click on it, and then you see settings. So click on it. So we are in page setting about. Now you see multiple option, and then you see advanced SEO. So click on it. So we are in advanced SEO, and then you see reports meta tag. So click on it. Now you see multiple option. Now you see no snippet. Enable this option. Now you see this side the snippet, for example meta description for these pages from search result and AI result. So this page meta description not appear in search result like Google. So different search engine don't show meta description for this page. So you can do this setting for multiple pages and then click on publish. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.